definitely messed up. Ooh. Oh, this is bad. Cute. Is this right? It's gonna be right today because that's all we got. Ah! Shutters. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am building my dream house out of gingerbread because I can't afford a house. I don't even have a job. So you should subscribe. I'm actually like kind of close to getting monetized, so actually please subscribe for real. So anyways, I am decorating a gingerbread house today, and my inspiration is my Pinterest board of all the homes that I really do want. So let's see if I can make my dreams a reality or if they're gonna crumble down. So let's get into it. Okay, I just turned the oven on, which is, if you can hear that sound. But I did actually already make all the gingerbread house pieces last night. Definitely messed up. I've never made gingerbread before. And there's this whole process in the beginning where you have like molasses and sugar. So it's like you're starting with a warm, like on the stove, a warm liquidy mixture. And then you add baking soda. And then it says, it'll foam up a little bit. So I add mine and I'm like, it's not really foaming. And instantly I was like, it's because this is baking powder, Angela. I added 2 teaspoons of baking powder, followed by 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I don't know. Did I stop and throw it out? No, I kept going. So the good news is, it's here. I mean, it's cracked and stuff, but we're covering that with frosting anyways. I just think it could have been worse considering I literally messed up the recipe. But the reason I turned the oven back on, I want to try the whole stained glass window looking thing because I actually truly do love stained glass so much. So in my dream home, I'm gonna have stained glass one day. So I got Jolly Ranchers for that. I would have loved to get a smaller bag, but this is the smallest one I could find at the time. And I owe my mom a bunch of candy. So I knew I could give it to her. My mom's a violin teacher and she has like candy for when the students' lessons are done. And I may or may have not eaten like most of it. I'm going to unwrap these, put them in a Ziploc bag, smack it with a hammer.
Clark, what do you need a hammer for?
I'm gonna catch it in the coat, smack it with a hammer.
Let's try this. I don't know. Should you be doing this on a counter like this? Ooh. Oh, this is bad. Whoops. My mom has had this forever and now I've ruined it. Crap!
Smack it with a hammer.
Well, that's much better anyways, but you do rip the bag open. Okay, I think I'm definitely gonna need more than that though. They did say to like overfill, or not overfill, but like use more than you think. Plus these are thick pieces. Do you see the inside of that? Thick. This is, it gets very sticky. Maybe I should have like spooned it. I bet you that would have been easier. Spoon is definitely easier. Should have started with that. I don't really know what to do because these are done. But that one's not. It's already been, I think, 6 minutes now. Is it gonna be bad if these stay in longer? When you take them out, you're supposed to let them cool completely before you remove them from the pan. So I can't like remove the one and keep the other one in, you know? I don't know. Ooh, cute. How fun. Now those need to cool. So when that's done, we'll continue. I just made the frosting. I have gum because my dream house is a little brick cottage. It doesn't necessarily have to be white. Did I get the right kind of gum? Do they have Orbit that's not? I was following that girl and her gingerbread. Julie Gingerbread. Julie and her gingerbread. And she said that she uses Orbit Winter Mint. I was envisioning it not these though. I was envisioning regular pieces. I guess this is right. Is this right? I don't know. It's gonna be right today because that's all we got. I need to like cut them. Yeah, I guess she cut them in half. What did she do? Just cut them with a knife? I think she used scissors, but we'll use this. Okay. Yeah, those look like little bricks. Okay. I panicked for a second. Originally, I thought I'd start on the back pieces so I could get some practice, but I don't think that's gonna be enough gum. I'm not even sure there's gonna be enough gum to cover the front, let alone anything else. So we're gonna start with the front piece. Ooh, am I gonna have enough? I need room for my door. What am I doing? This is not gonna be good. What about a little knife? Wait, do you think I should do the shutters? Maybe I should do the shutters and the door first. Yeah, I might need to do that. Speaking of, this is gonna be my shutters and door. So maybe 2 for the shutters. 2 and 2. Strawberry. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. I counted out the bricks and I don't think I would have enough to do 2 full sides. So when I got that far, I was like, what else could I do at the top? And I got so much of these little sticks. That's what we came up with. But it's coming together. Okay. This is where we're at. Now I need to put them together and hope I don't destroy all this beautiful work I've done. I need to flatten the edges on the bottom. They're like frosting sticking out. I mainly need to just cut that down. Just in case anyone was wondering, this is what the back looks like with the windows. Also, as a note, this is what my frosting is in. I have a lid to make it airtight, and I just keep putting it in the fridge in between and just scooping out small amounts into a bowl because this will dry if you just left it. Okay. Girl, I'm already breaking things. So I need to put, how am I doing this though? I'm gonna put it on these edges, but then how do I hold these up all at the same time? Do people have a better way of doing this? Should I watch some videos first or something? I don't know. Let's just go for it. Famous last words. Ah! Somehow that's standing. Ooh, something is a little rocky. Ooh, is this tray not straight? This tray might not be straight. Ooh. Is there a better way to be doing what I'm doing? Something's not straight. Okay, and the last thing I'm doing is the roof. Oops. That seemed fake even though it wasn't. Okay, and the last thing I'm doing is the roof, which we're doing with the Life cereal. And then when I'm done, I can eat. Why am I like this? It's like tearing this open. Also, I don't know if my dream house is in the winter, even though this is Christmas and it's a gingerbread house. Oh yeah, I said this is the last thing, but I actually wanted to hand pipe flowers growing on the side. But what about me makes me think I have the talent to do that? But also, I imagine me doing that on the front of the house, and there's actually just not really room for that because it's covered in house. The door's there, the things are there. Shutters. The shutters are there. Let's get the roof on and worry about flowers later. So it's so cute, but without adding flowers, it just felt like it was missing something. Not only did I not think I could pipe flowers, I also didn't have a small enough piping tip for the vines/greenery. With the leftover frosting I had, I added food coloring to it and then put it in a Ziploc baggie and cut off the tiniest little corner so I had a skinny piping tool. I practiced on some wax paper first and then kind of did this to envision it and then just went for it. It was extra hard to do this in a way where I didn't block the camera. And then once I had the vines, I went ahead and added some blobs for leaves. For the flowers, I was thinking maybe I could use a different piping tip that gives the effect of a flower, but the consistency of the frosting just didn't hold any shapes. And I knew if I piped flowers directly onto the house, I was just gonna mess it all up. So what I ended up coming up with was to pipe little dots or circles onto my wax paper, and then as it dried, I would come back with a toothpick and just kind of swirl it until I thought it looked like a flower. I discovered it was best to just do like 2 or 3 at a time and not a bunch like I was doing here. I couldn't really get the frosting to be the color I wanted. I wanted like a darker fuchsia. So I tried adding sprinkles to see if I could at least add in some dimension with another flower color. And then I waited for those to dry completely, slid them off the wax paper, and then used my frosting to just attach them one by one. So that's it. I'm so happy with how my little gingerbread dream house cottage turned out. It's so cute. It's not Christmassy whatsoever, but that's okay. I already have ideas for next year, and next year it will be Christmassy and cottagey and still another version of my dream house. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas. See you next time. Bye.